Alright guys, the Phantom 4 showed up. This box is gigantic. Okay, I don't know how much of the Phantom 4 is in this box. I don't know if he made an extra big box here or what. So I'm just holding the phone in my hand for a minute until I can get the first of the stuff off of here. I had the tripod and everything set up on the table, but I couldn't get an angle on here to where you would see nothing but box. It was like this, the way the tripod was sitting. So I'm holding my hand here until we can get the initial parts of the box open. Then I'm going to set up the tripod. Because I don't know how much packing is in here. Ugh. A lot. Okay, so there's the box there, and there's another box in there. This guy really packed this thing quite well. There's my coffee I'm having. It's delicious. It is so damn hot in Pittsburgh right now. Guys, I never felt heat like this. Okay, so he put bubble wrap in here on the sides. This guy he must work for UPS or something. Okay, so I don't know what that might be, the filter kit or something. I don't know. We'll get to that in a minute. Boy, he wanted to make sure this thing didn't get damaged, because I wouldn't even have packed this thing this good. So kudos to him. I'll have to send him an email. Even the box is very cherry. And there's the receipt right there. Some more this styrofoam. This might have been actually the same box that he got it shipped to him in. Who knows? But anyway, there that. God, it's heavy too. Believe me. Ugh. Okay, so I can get this off of the table. So now maybe we can get a little bit better shot here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to set up the tripod now. I think I can work with it from here. All right, we're back. There's the box there. So we're going to get that open. Oh, that's right, I forgot. There's that styrofoam thing that's in here. So let's get that out of here. There's another box inside this box. It's that case. Okay, now we're ready to look at it. Okay, so we had to get into this part. Okay, so now you crack this open. And there it is, right there. Man, alive is that thing cherry. Wow. Boy, that picture sure as hell didn't lie. Wow, is that thing nice. Whew. Lordy, lordy. Let me get that out of there. Boy, I'll tell you what. This thing looks like refurb condition. Honest to God. Wow. Holy Toledo. And everything's in here too. Here's the controller. This thing is heavy as heck. It don't have a scratch on it. Absolutely mint condition. This is brand new condition, man. It even smells good. Okay, it even has a nice smell to it. Here's the props right here. Then here's all these cables right here. And here's a micro USB. I actually have one of these. I had this for the Spark. That's how I was able to hook up those goggles. So you can do that with this too. You can use the DJI goggles with this, which I think I'm going to try. I've never actually used them. The DJI goggles I've never actually used them with a quadcopter, even though I have the Mavic Pro. But I am going to try it with these. There's all the batteries. Well, 2 of the batteries right here. Then the third one's actually in the quadcopter. You see it, I'm tapping it right here. This case will hold all the batteries. These batteries don't have any swelling on them at all. Well, this one don't anyway. So at least I got one good one, I know that. Second one, same way. Oh, and he's even got it marked here. It says 2 on that one. Boy, this guy really took care of this. He took care of this better than I take care of mine. Here says number 3 right there. There's number 1 right there. And none of these batteries are swollen in the least. They're flat as pancakes. Wow. Man, very impressive. I'm very impressed with this. Here's some Polar Pro filters. There's all that documentation. I gotta swear, this guy could only have flown this thing a few times because it doesn't even have a nick on it. It doesn't even have like a little scratch from sitting it on the coffee table or anything. It's just like shiny, like brand new. Wow. Holy Toledo. There is no micro SD card in there. He told me he wasn't putting that one in there. He said it was a crappy one anyway. The one that came with it, he said it wasn't that good. So he didn't even put it in there. Which is cool. I got bazillions of them. Let me see what kind of filters I'm sporting here. There's 3 of them right there. So I got 3 of them at least. Wow, guys, I just can't get over the condition of this thing, man. And I don't know what this is here. I guess this might be some kind of something that goes over the camera right here. It looks like some kind of shade or something like that thing I was looking at yesterday for the Mavic Mini. It's called a Ultimax, and this is an Ultimax. This is probably like I think this is a gimbal cover, but I don't think it's going to keep the gimbal steady, but I think it just goes over it. And then this is some kind of like sunshade thing to keep the glare off of the camera. And then the charger, I don't need to get that out. That's in there. I'm going to get that out and put that in the back room. Wow. Holy Toledo, is that thing mint. Even the plug looks new. Very impressed with this thing, man. Wow. Let me get that box. I'm curious as to what's in that, what's in this little Amazon box here. Oh, yeah. Something I don't need. Prop cards. Damn, I should have said you could have just kept them. Okay, because the prop cards on this thing are big, so he sent me everything. That's why that box was so big. Now here's all the documentation on here. It doesn't look like it's ever been opened. So I'm just going to leave it in there because I don't need no documentation. I've probably seen 500 videos on this thing, so why do I need to read anything? And then in here we have, don't know, it's some kind of bag. It says Polar Pro. Oh, it's another filter. Maybe. Yeah. But I don't know what size it is. This is a white one. Maybe this came with it because it's the same color. That color there is the same color as the gimbal. So maybe this actually came with a filter, because it's a real dark one, by the way. But it doesn't say what kind it is on there. Maybe that just was included with it. Who knows, right? But it's in there. So I got 4 filters. So let me get this out of the way. Now, if this thing actually flies, I think it'd be well worth the $600 I paid for it. I mean, I have no idea what they cost when they were new, but I'm sure it was more than $600. Plus, this has 3 batteries and the 3 batteries and the filters and all that crap. So let me check. That battery has a little juice in it, so I'm just going to fire it up to see if it'll actuate the gimbal and all that crap. Yep, sure does. I can hear that gimbal motor ticking. Well, this is so much different from the Phantom 3, man. I like this controller. It has a really nice feel to it, guys. Really nice feel. This thing here feels great in your hand. This thing is brand new condition. I'm telling you. This is better than refurbished. Okay. Okay. So the motors come on. And there you go. Alright. So we know it works. Alright guys, there you go. Unboxing years old Phantom 4. It's... wow. I'm really shocked at how good a condition it is. I'm going to run in there right now and send that guy an email. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.